Came in with the style, with the flavor, with the $1 million attitude. Smile for the haters, yeah. I've been making rounds, doing favors. I'm the man in the city. I've been feeling like the mayor, yeah.
Right, left, down, up, right, left. All right. We missed the runway at Boulder. We had to rebuild that landing gear, so let's see how we did. We got the run cam at the tail, so we get that landing gear footage. All right. Taking off. Set up to land. Landing. Woo, redo. Coming around again. Got windy there. Yep, take two. I'll take that any day. I'll take that any day. Is the camera still attached? The gear still on? Still in one piece? Yep. All right. There we go. It's getting blown around a little bit in the air. Adds to the fun. Yes, sir. Pretty. All right, let's throw a heavier battery in, because this would be a good test to see how the battery does with the wind. And we're definitely going to move that camera too. Right, left, down, up, right, left. Yeah, I was like, I can't even tell exactly where you are. Shoot.
Motor on.
All right. Taxiing out. We're gonna get some footage of Sam Wilson this time instead of the landing gear. And since I don't have those gear doors anymore, it actually, the gear is a bit more functional. It goes up smoother, even with speed. All right. Make sure the shades are on tight, camera's adjusted. Oh. All right. Taking off. Sit that gear up there. Camera's still on there. Good. It's definitely more stable with the bigger battery. And it's a bit more nose heavy right now. I could probably turn the AS3X gains down though. This one might do cooler tumblers than my V900 and the EF Extra actually. man. We got the speed running, or the speed pass in. Alright, wind. Give me a little break so I can land. All right.
Gear down. 10, 9, 8, 7,
One more time around.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Nope, not lined up. Woohoo! Soft and buttery.
Over.
That one didn't make me nervous at all. All right. Good flights. This thing actually stick jamming in the air is kind of fun with this bad boy because it recovers so easily. I actually can't wait to see the run cam footage there. We'll check the speeds even though they don't matter. Stop, read. 121, not bad. Yeah, this one flies better right now. Have a good one, Anders. All right, we went a minute over. Let's see what that battery life is looking like. 375s. So that was a 5-minute flight. And it did it just, yeah, okay. If I'm not in the throttle for my planes all the time, I can get way longer flights. Oh my God, it's amazing. Because the wind's having fun with me today. You know what, y'all? I think I'm gonna call it a day because my dog was all pouting and I felt bad leaving him at the house. I'm gonna let him go chase the RC or something in the morning, so I need to go to bed. I'll see y'all next time.